this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MongoDB with VSCode. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm going to be covering the main steps for you to do this. VSCode has great support for MongoDB databases. First, you will need to download the extension, so go to the extensions page and look for MongoDB for VSCode and install the extension. This will make the process of connecting them together much easier and possible. Once you have installed the MongoDB for VSCode extension, you will notice a new icon at the left. Choose this icon, and in here you will see the Explorer. Now start by choosing Add Connection at the top. Next, choose to connect with a connection string or use advanced connection options, so you can choose whichever option you prefer through this window. If you select connect with a connection string, you can enter the corresponding one in the connection string quick pick. The default connection string for a local MongoDB is going to be highlighted here, MongoDB 127.0.0.1 and the port 27017. If you choose advanced connection settings, you will have these options here, URL and various different categories that you can customize. I'm not going to go over every single one of them because the purpose of this video is just to showcase the general process. After it has been attached, you can work with the MongoDB server, managing databases, collections, and documents. So if you click on this icon again, all of them are going to appear here per the connection that you established. You will see the status displayed, and you can manage all of them through VSCode. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.